Alright guys, so let me tell you what happened at school today. So during 4th hour, this alarm went off because there was a fire in the kitchen at my school. So it was from the oven, and the oven leaked out smoke and then went to the smoke detector and it activated the horn strobe. And it scared people, and it scared me. And we had to evacuate. And I could see all the strobes in here flashing. Yeah, it wasn't actually a drill. It was from a fire in the kitchen at school. Yep. Like, during 4th hour, while we were doing Look It Gold Rush, when I was stealing gold from one of my classmates, this went off. I heard it, and I saw the strobe flashing. It was really loud. And I thought someone pulled the alarm for a joke, but it didn't happen, thankfully, because if it did, then I would be really upset if someone pulled the alarm, if someone did this, and then firefighters would have to come and reset it. Like, open it and close it. Or open it and flip the switch up and go to the fire alarm control panel to acknowledge the system and silence it and reset it. Good thing it didn't happen. But it wasn't a drill. There was just a fire in the kitchen at my school. So, all students in my school, you should watch this announcement about what happened at school. Yet the oven was leaking smoke while they were making some pizza for lunch periods. And the oven, I think there's multiple ovens, so one of the ovens was leaking smoke, and the smoke went to the smoke detector, and the smoke detector activated the system, and everyone got evacuated. Alright, thank you for watching this announcement of what happened at school with the fire alarms.